What's up, dude? Nothing. Looking at GPUs. I have an idea. I don't know. Yeah, it's bad out there. It's another blizzard. What is going on? We haven't had two storms like this in years. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm doing next. You hear that? That's odd. I don't know. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I'll call you back. All right, give me a few. All right, later. What's going on here? Huh. Missed that guy. Who put this here? Dark. Can't even see inside this. Huh. Need some light in here. Well, that's a little better. Oh! Hey! How'd you get in here? Miss you, buddy. What's this? It's kind of dark. Well, I mean, you like dark colors and stuff. Maybe we can, Zotac, nice. Maybe we can zip this up a little bit, huh? Get you something nice. Maybe some new kicks. Huh? You deserve it. Let's go. Hey everybody. Empty table, a little lower, you know what that means. We're going to do an unboxing combined with, welcome back to Sneaks and Geeks USA, sorry. This one's a little somber. We're doing a little upgrade for a musician that I really liked. And I had a pre-built, I thought we would make it look a little more rock and roll. Know what I'm saying? Stand by. Okay. This is the Lian V100. It is a fantastic budget case. The reason I say fantastic is, well, I mean, Lian Li makes, you know, it's Lian Li. They make a lot of great products. This case, without fans, retails right now for about 65 bucks. And when you see, like, again, quality combined with design and some flash, well, you'll see. Let's open it up. Stand by. All right, what do we got? Something just moved in there. That's interesting. Hopefully that's, oh, it's sideways. Take a note, sideways for when I put it back in. Hello. Lian Li V100. Fits ATX, MATX, ITX, EATX as far as I know, but still compact. It's got a cool little feature on here we'll show off later. Let's disassemble. All right, you don't need to see my face. This pops off. You have a screw here. And the back looks like it just pops off. Oh, look at that. It's only vented around here, but you know, I'm sure the airflow is fine. It does handle rear connect. I don't know if the front comes off, to be honest. Well, the front comes off. Hey, look at that. Nice catch. Okay, well that makes things real interesting. Comes with a GPU support. Very nice. And would you look at that? And zip ties are flying out everywhere. Looky, looky. Lian V100. The surprise of this case, well, there's two of them. One, you have a little shelf here. Pretty cool. And RGB built into the case. Looks like we got 3 120s, 2 120s, 1 120, 3 120. So reverse, reverse, exhaust, exhaust. We're gonna air cool it. I've had one sitting in the box for a while, and we're gonna bust that out. Don't worry, it's a good one and it's quiet. Very cool. I believe this comes off too. Shelf comes out here. Power supply, shouldn't have any issues. Let's get building. Lian V100. Get ready for an upgrade. All right. Quite the improvement. What do you think, buddy? We go out in style, right? But not just yet. Apparently he wants the game too. Now, obviously he's a motorcycle boot guy. So we don't do motorcycle boots here. So I found something though, I think that that suits his outfits. Pretty much all of them I think this would go with, based on what I know. So we're gonna send them out in style. I didn't know these existed either. These are Nike Air Force One snakeskin. Noir, to be precise. What do you think, buddy? Snakeskin. Goes, you can put it right next to your snakeskin boots, huh? And we got you a controller from 8BitDo. I just wanted to do a little upgrade with what we had. The changes we made, obviously the case, Lian V100, great case for the money. Great case for the money. We got, we added some fans, 10. Oh, I'm sorry, 9. 2 reverse on the bottom, 3 reverse intake here, 3 exhaust, 1 exhaust out the back. We added the nice little be quiet, because we like quiet, CPU cooler. We swapped the fan with the white one instead of the black one. You know, 16 gigs of RAM, DDR4. This is a DDR4 build. Zotac 4060 Ti 8 gig. So just a good solid 1080 computer for a beginning gamer. Now that he's retired, on a personal note, my buddy, also named Danny, big Lemmy fan. His dog was named Lemmy. For you, buddy, legend, absolute legend of the rock world. Legend of the business, and grew up with all his music. We'll do some more tribute stuff. I have some things in mind. I'm a big rock guy, obviously. I like all kinds of music, but heavy metal, rock, progressive rock is more my leanings. This is for Lemmy, my buddy Danny. I hope you appreciate I tried to do him right. Snakeskin, perfect fit for that guy. Rest in peace. Like, comment, subscribe, and working on some swag. If you notice anything about any of this, there'll be a trivia question once we hit 10,000 and we do some sneakers again. If you notice anything off, it's slight, but it's there, and it's noticeable once you notice it. Thanks to all our sponsors: Harold Law, Elite Surveillance, NJ, Dubby, AirGoo, of course, Silkland, 8BitDo. Thank you. Thanks for the support, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.